Hello everyone, and welcome back. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Mike. We are so happy you're here today.
Wait, did you hear that, Mike? You said happy again.
What's wrong with happy? It's a great word.
It's a fine word, but it's a bit like wearing the same shirt every single day. It works, but it's boring. Native speakers have a whole wardrobe of words to describe joy depending on the situation.
That makes sense. I guess I do feel different levels of happiness, like getting a gift versus getting a promotion.
Exactly. Today, we're going to help you upgrade your vocabulary so you can express exactly how you feel. Let's look at our first level. When you get really exciting news, don't just say I'm happy. Say I'm thrilled.
Thrilled. I love how that sounds. It sounds like an electric shock of energy.
It is. It's perfect for big surprises, like winning a prize or getting a promotion.
Okay, what about when the happiness lasts for a long time? Like when things in life are finally perfect?
For that, you are over the moon.
Over the moon? That's a funny image.
It is. It means you are so happy you're literally floating in space.
I like that. Now, what if I'm just having a good day? Maybe I'm just in a good mood?
That's our third one, I'm in a good mood. It's simple, it's casual, and it's very common.
Got it. Now, what if I'm feeling really relaxed and blissful?
Then you say, I'm on cloud 9. It's a very peaceful, happy feeling.
And for the final level, when I can't imagine being any happier?
You say, I couldn't be happier. This is the strongest way to say you are totally satisfied with your life. Hey Mike, you look like you're having a great morning. How are you?
I really am. I just found out I got that job I applied for. Honestly, I'm absolutely thrilled.
Wow. That is fantastic news, Mike. I'm so proud of you. You must be over the moon right now.
I really am. I feel like I'm floating. I've been working toward this for months, so to finally get it? I'm on cloud 9.
That makes sense. You know, since you started this new project, you've been in such a good mood every time we talk.
It's true. Everything in my life is finally falling into place. I really couldn't be happier with how things are going.
I'm so glad to hear that. You deserve it. Let's celebrate with some coffee later?
I'd love to.
Did you hear how much more natural that sounded? Mike used 5 different ways to express his joy.
It felt much more expressive than just saying I'm happy 5 times.
If you are enjoying these lessons, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.
And we want to hear from you. In the comments below, tell us, what is one thing that makes you feel over the moon?
We love reading your stories. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and we will see you in the next video.
Goodbye everyone.
Bye.